Hey, we are here at the PUDU booth again, and we've got Gary here from the US support team, who's going to give us an overview of the new the charging dock that is there for CC1, which has a better system to clean up the brushes, and also he's going to tell us a little bit about the CC1 Pro. All right, Gary, I'll hand over the mic to you.
Yeah, firstly, maybe we just see the AI intelligent cleaning of the CC1 Pro. So we just put some soil in the ground, and the robot will, by the AI camera in front, to do the powerful scrubbing automatically. So you can see the screen. If the robot recognizes something on the ground, will powerful the water and also the roller brushes. So you can see the screen will show some different powerful scrubbing when the robot recognizes the stains on the floor. So actually, after every task, we can see a report on the robot screen, and how many square meter finished, and how many power consumed. Yep. And also we can see a stance map. So the robot will show where the stance is heavy. So you see, here we put some soil on the ground here, so it will show us the report. This is our self-cleaning docking station, and this is a mobile water tank. Sometimes if we want to refill water or drainage the dirty water, we need some environment support. But sometimes we don't have the pipe for clean water, so we can use this to move this tank. So this is have some dirty water, and also we have clean water inside. So it's more comfortable for us to do the robot installation. And at the same time, this is our self-clean docking station. This side is a heating model. So when water is in, the docking station will heating the water, and for the robot squeegee cleaning. And another side here, we have a detergent box, so cleaner. So we can add the cleaner you want, and then in the robot later will show how many percentage you want to set the cleaner and with the water. And this is the pipe for refill the water, clean water. And this is drainage dirty water. And actually this part is for the squeegee cleaning, self-cleaning. So we have ultrasound here to shaking the squeegee to make stands down, and some hot water. And this brush is for the roller brush self-cleaning. So when the robot on it, the roller brush will working here, and then the stands will go down here. So we just do the maintenance of this part. So in the software, we can see there's a different options for the workstation, like only charging, or renew water and charging, or charging, renew water, and self-cleaning. So we will use this one. And two options, one is quick self-cleaning, one is a deep self-cleaning. So normally we use a fast, quick cleaning is okay. So the first step, the robot will try to connect with the docking station. You can see the light will show us the status of the connecting. Yeah, then the squeegee will down, and the water will come here, and here shaking to make the stands down. And at the same time, the roller brush here, maybe this side cannot see that. Maybe with this much easier to see. Now here, the brush is working here, so make the stuff sit down. And here we can see the whole process for each steps.